Welcome back guys! Today my Magsafe wallet for my new iPhone 12 mini, which I will be reviewing soon, arrived. The store sent me the wrong color though, so now you shall experience a black iPhone mini with silicone case and a brown leather wallet instead of a black one. When we first open the box, we can see the wallet and underneath it the paperwork. No stickers included, even though this goddamn thing costed me 70 goddamn euros. The wallet itself has a card placeholder and can hold up to 3 full-size cards. The wallet has a nice feel to it and it's well manufactured. The wallet sticks pretty good to the iPhone. I don't think it will come off that easy. When connected to the phone, you'll hear the trusted Magsafe sound and you can see the Magsafe animation. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with the wallet itself. The only minors are the fact that it costs a fortune and the fact that the fucking store didn't send me the right color. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. See you in the next one.